Hi dear children, I am Dr. Dinesh Yankurup again. I am from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kottayam, Kerala State. Again, my humble attempt to make this acceleration very clear to children at the secondary level, that is class 9 level. Children might have learned about acceleration, difference in velocity, increasing acceleration, decreasing acceleration, zero acceleration, etc. They might have learned. So acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity divided by time. So here today I am going to discuss the difference between uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. See, this acceleration, we know it is a change in velocity with respect to time. Here the velocity changes at a constant rate, constantly it is going on, constantly. See, the change, it is in a constant rate, constantly it is increasing. So when we take the increase in velocity per unit time, it remains as a constant. Whereas in the second case, in the case of this one, the change in velocity is not constant, it is increasing. It goes on increasing. See, this is the case of non-uniform acceleration. First is uniform acceleration, where there is a constant rate of increase for the velocity. Whereas in the second case, non-uniform acceleration, here the change in velocity is not uniform. It is increasing sometimes, it is decreasing sometimes. So that is an example of non-uniform acceleration. Now let's see this one. Here we can see how the velocity of this particular ball, which is rolling down to the road, changes. Let's see. It is going down. This arrow shows the direction of velocity. Now the velocity increases at a constant rate. Velocity increases at a constant rate. See, after each second, velocity increases. And the direction in which the velocity increases as well as the direction in which it is moving, it is same. So we can say that acceleration and velocity are in the same direction. So here it is 0, starts with 0, after some time 2 meters per second, 4 meters per second, 6 meters per second, 8 meters per second, like that. In each second there is an increase of 2 meters per second velocity. There is a table showing that. See, after each second it is having an increase of 2 meters per second velocity. Okay, so we can say that the acceleration is 2 meters per second square. Now, what is the case when it is going up? Obviously, we know that the speed will reduce, speed will decrease, and it will have a negative acceleration. We can call it as retardation. And how it is being reduced? It is starting with 10 meters per second. After one second, it becomes 8 meters per second. After 2 seconds, it becomes 6 meters per second. That means each second it is having a cut, a slowdown of 2 meters per second in velocity. So that we can say that its negative acceleration is 2 meters per second per second. That means slowing down 2 meters per second in 1 second. So it is 2 meters per second square negative acceleration. So that is the meaning of positive acceleration as well as negative acceleration. So if the acceleration is positive, then 2 meters per second change in 1 second. If it is negative, 2 meters per second decrease in 1 second. So dear children, positive acceleration means an increase of 2 meters per second at every second. Negative acceleration means a decrease of 2 meters per second at every second. Clear? Thank you.